Children, now let us discuss our fourth question. Okay. So it was given that T is the time period of simple pendulum. By looking at this word, we can understand that this is from chapter SHM, simple harmonic motion, or you could say oscillation. So first of all, we need to identify its chapter, that is oscillation. So here things are done between time period, okay, as well as height of earth, okay. So time period becomes some x into t when taken to a height r above the earth's surface and find the value of x. So here we are interested to find out the second time period in that what is x. The other data provided is that the body has been taken to a height r, which is equal to the radius. So how to do this kind of questions? That's what the doubt. You people know that. So in this oscillation chapter, this belongs to the subconcept that is time period. So you people know that the formula for time, there are several formulas for time period. 2 by root of L by G, 2 by root over M by K, 2 by root over I by MGD, 2 by root over I by C. Several things are there. But we have to recall whatever we required here. So from the given data, you understood that time period data is given. But what is other data? It has been taken to a height, some height. So if some height is taken, what will change? G. Acceleration due to gravity will change. So now our interest upon is that we have to frame the relation between time period and G. So what is that? We know that T equal to 2 pi root over L by G. So from this, the time period is proportional to 1 by root G. So this is what the relation we have to frame. Okay. With this, we have to continue our further explanation. Clear? So now, on the surface of earth, let it be G1 or let me write it is G suffix E, means G on the surface of earth. Naturally, it is G. Okay. In such case, the time period T1 is given as what here? T. So let me write T1 is equal to T. Okay. Now, when taken to a height R, okay, let us take to a height R. So what happens? G will definitely change. The formula for G2, or you could write that G at some height h is given by the formula G by 1 plus h by r whole square. This is what is given. So now if you look carefully, the height h is equal to r. Okay. If h equal to r, so what I could write here? G suffix h is equal to G by 1 plus h is r by r. So these two will be cancelled. Whole square. So it is G by 2 whole square. So that is G by 4. Like this you will get. You get it as G by 4 at some height. Now at this height, what is the time period? We don't know. And in the question what he is saying is that some x into t. So what is that x? Okay. So he has given that time period T2 is equal to x into t. So first of all, we have to frame like this, each and everything in detail. Now let us directly solve this. So now T1 by T2 is equal to root over G2 by G1. So as per our knowledge, G2 is nothing but G at a height h. G1 is nothing but G at some surface of earth. Okay. So here itself I am writing. G at a height h, you got it as G by 4. So let me write this as G by 4. G on the surface of earth is equal to G. Okay. Now let us simplify these two. So what to do here? G is cancelled. So the remaining part here it is root over 1 by 4. We could write it as 1 by 2. Isn't it? So now what we got here is that T1 by T2 is equal to 1 by 2. So T1 is given as T. Let me substitute here. T1 is given as T. Now coming to the T2, what was given here? X into T. So let me write x into T is equal to 1 by 2. So this T cancelled. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. Isn't it? So finally, by solving this, you will get x is equal to 2. Now look at the options, my dear children. I got x is equal to 2. So which of the option is matching here? What are the 4 options? Have a close look at this. So I say that in option 2, there is answer 2. Option 2 and answer is also 2. So the correct answer for this one is option 2. Okay. So with this we have done our fourth question. We can move on to the next one.